In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a bass line into your sequencer using the arpeggiator. The first step is we're going to click on Menu. We're going to click on P7, Arpeggiator page. And this is going to pull up the first tab here, Setup 1 through 8. In track 1, it's set to off. We're going to set this to A. So Arpeggiator A is going to be playing with track 1. And then we're going to press the Arpeg A tab. And we're going to choose a different pattern here. I want to choose U030, which is Dance Bass Riff 1. Also want to make sure the key sync checkbox is checked, and this is going to allow my key press to sync to that resolution during recording. Exit to go back to the P0 page, and now if you turn on the arpeggiator with the on-off button and play the keys, you'll hear the arpeggio. Next, we're ready to do our recording. We're going to press the record right button to get our metronome, and when I press start stop, it's going to allow me to have a 2-measure countdown, and then I'm going to press the key and hold it down for 4 measures to record this arpeggio into the track. Okay, now I can press stop, and I just recorded about 4 measures. If you go to the menu, click on P5 Track Edit, you'll see the measures are recorded in the track 1. Exit out of this, press start stop again on the sequencer, and you'll be able to preview what you recorded. Okay, next, to allow myself to be able to play this when I'm adding drum tracks and things of this nature, I want to go to the play loop, and I don't want to copy the measures to other portions of the song quite yet. I just want to loop measures 1 through 4 to allow me to be able to play to that when I'm recording the next portions of my song. So now if I press start stop, you'll see that it's going to play through. Even when it gets to measure 4, it's going to keep playing that portion of the track.